Alright guys, so this is an unexpected find. Here's a carrier comfort at Colton's steakhouse. I am surprised that I found this. It has a Colton scroll compressor. 2012 5-ton. March 2012. It's got a Gentech fan motor. And so I don't think it's been running. Not recently. Alright. So there's a few more that I'll film, but after I eat, so I'll see y'all there. Alright, here we have this paint Sentry. It's really dirty. Ooh. That's blowing air out the side, and I think it also has a bad run cap. Oh, it's a carrier Sentry. 2012 5-ton. I'm not going to fill the lines, but it's running. And there's a couple more back here. There's 3 more carrier comforts. Not gonna fill the lines. That is completely gone, but I think it's from like 2012. There's this one's also on. This one's off. Colton's Emerson, I think, actually. Yeah, that has a newer Emerson Colton skull. I'm actually gonna check if it's been running. Not recently, looks like. These are both blowing air out the side. Oh, I was gonna get the data on this, on one of these. (2012) 5-ton. I'm sure this one's the exact same, so. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. Oh, wait, there's a route over there, but I'm not going to go to it. Over and out.